Hey guys, welcome back to another shave with before and after shaves. Today I'll be using a special soap, one that is specifically for the my Facebook group and YouTube channel and Instagram. Anything with the before and after shaves in the name and for anyone in it. A soap that I collaborated with Venue Lay. Shaving in the Rain. Yeah, I asked Monica, what was it, May 7th, or it was before May 17th, if she would make a group soap, and she said she would be honored to do it. So I was really really glad. So it took a little while to think of a scent. Now originally it was going to be peppermint and white musk, but no, it was gonna be rain, peppermint, and white musk. But I'll tell you more about it while I do the shave. But I've been pre-lathering in the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Travel Scuttle, the new intergalactic indestructible travel scuttle made of space-age polymers. So that's good for anyone around the house that has kids or anyone that travels or etc. So, all right, I'm going to use the Yaqi Deep Blue Sky brush along with the blue scuttle. And I did that blue thing because of the soap I'm using today. So yeah, Shavin' in the Rain. It's also supposed to be a tribute to the song I'm Singing in the Rain by, I can't remember the man's name. But yeah, look it up. It's a musical on, it was like from the 50s or 60s. But yeah, it's supposed to be based on Singing in the Rain. But yeah, look at this lather, guys. I've been trying to get this done before the shave because I thought maybe this would take longer, but I loaded heavy, so. And also, I'm going to use my straight razor today. So let me grab it real fast. I'm going to use the gold dollar. It is the 208. Yeah, it's the gold dollar 208. Now I need to strop it again before the shave. I already did about 40 on each side, 40 laps. So I'm going to do that real fast. Just do a short one. Wish you guys could see me doing it, but hope everyone's had a great day. I'm sorry I'm not talking much. Hope everyone's having a great day, had great shaves. I'm really excited to use this soap, so hold on, just bear with me here, guys. Alright, my strap kind of came undone here, so alright. Okay, a few more laps. Alright, we had a few messages coming in here, so let me clear that off. Alright, yeah, the gold dollar. And this time I'm going to do it correctly, guys. This will be my third shave with it. I did one off camera. I did one on camera. That was my first time. Now this time I know better not to do it like this. Instead, I'll do it like this. So, I'm closer to the skin, more contact with the spine of the razor. So, I know better now, guys. So, all right. Let me wet the face and let's get this shave started, guys. All right. Yeah, with the straight razor, it's going to do about between, I'd say 25 to 40 laps on each side of the strap. I just did a shower, so I'm going to be prepped. Used a charcoal wash to wash my face since my tube was in another room. So, okay. So yeah, more on Shaving in the Rain, guys. The original premise, okay, it's going on nice, and I had the lather heated up, by the way, and a warm scuttle. So yeah, the original premise of the soap I was making for the group was to simulate a full wet shave prep and experience. Like say the rain would be your shower, the peppermint would be the shave, and then the white musk or something would be the final aftershave So yeah, I meant to do, that's what I originally intended for this to be. A complete wet shave in one soap. And it just kind of turned around and turned itself into a whole new thing. So I'm still happy with it. I loaded heavy with the soap. I did probably 25, almost 30 swirls in the tub. But yeah, it's still, yeah, you can see how much I've done over the flowers there. That's how she puts the soap in her tubs. It's pretty nice. I've never seen anything like that before, except from her soap. It's because it's all natural. It's got, this is the tallow base. And there's a natural oils like emu. Hold on, let me get the tub here. Aloe vera, stearic acid, coconut fatty acids, palm extract, glycerin, potassium and sodium hydroxide, castor oil, coconut meadow foam, lanolin, tallow, manteca, babasu, argan, emu oils, coconut butter, extracts, polyquats, allantonin, silica, liquid silk, bentonite, clay, and fragrance. So it's good skin food. All right. Let's see, I got a pretty thick lather going on for the straight razor. I'm going to just try to do maybe one pass with it and then go on to a safety razor. All right, there's more than enough here to do probably 3 shaves with it. Now I'm going to try to keep this lather off my handle here, so let's see how she does, shall we? Let me take the hat and glasses off so I can actually, yeah, take the glasses off, and I don't want to have that anything in the way, so all right, let's go on the first. Let's see how we do. Okay, hold on here. Cleared the way for the sideburn. Feel a little tugging, but had to realign my angle because it's been a few days. So, all right. So, yeah, just bear with me, gentlemen. This is I'm still a rookie, so try not to put any weight on the razor if possible. Let me start on this side now if I can. All right. I focus a lot better off camera with this, so that's why I wanted to do it off camera. Yeah, I didn't have much hair to take down. So. Yeah, it feels kind of tuggy there. I didn't have this trouble on my second one. Of course, then again, I didn't do a pre-shave, so. That's not too bad on this side. It's possible that I could have stropped one side of the razor a little better than the other, maybe. Or it could just be one side had more moisture. Or the soap I used was treating me different. I'll have to hold it differently. That's what some guys do. You have to hold it just a tad differently, just to get a certain angle. Making sure you can all see me fine. Okay. And it's taking it down pretty well, guys. I mean, I haven't got all of it, but first pass, you're not supposed to take all the whiskers down. But yeah, I'm feeling tugginess. I stropped it like 40 laps on both sides before I put it away last time. And I did a quick strop here, so is it possible that that could have affected this? Maybe. All right, I'll end it on this pass. Not too bad. Just a little bit rusty, not too bad. They say, you know, learn slow. Don't speed up too much. Take your time because, you know, that's the best way to learn is to not rush it. Okay. Now let's move on to the Symmetry. The Symmetry a straight bar from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements with a Parker Premium blade, the Platinum. This will be the second use on that blade. Okay, and rinse the face off, and we'll go right on to the second pass, guys. Alright. Yeah. The scent on the soap, I'll tell you guys, is just awesome. Really clean. You can smell the rain in there. You can smell the white musk. Those are like two notes you really get. And it's also rounded out pretty well with tobacco, vanilla, bamboo, leather, grapefruit, tonka bean, and it's among several different scents. I mean, that's just half of it. But those are more of the main notes. So, all right. Get that second pass going. Slather the goatee this time. But it definitely has just awesome slickness. It's not lacking in that department at all. Among most of these good soaps, slickness is not a problem. It's definitely there. Wait, I didn't think about honing, I'm sorry, let me fix that. Stropping the straight razor. If I said honing before, just disregard that. But yeah, stropping should have been done off camera. And I should have done more of it. So, that's all right. We all learn, don't we? All right, second pass. Oh, yeah. Another note, I do have a few more mail calls on the way for future shaves in the YouTube channel or the Richmond Shaving Group. That's where I do any live shave that I don't film. I love this razor, guys. Symmetry straight bar with a Parker blade. But yeah, my live shaves, guys. If you're looking for a Facebook group for live shaves and for a shaving family and just overall just awesome friends and everything, just go to Richmond Shaving Group on Facebook. And you will make several friends. Not to say I don't like my Facebook group, but for live shaves, everyone prefers to do them on the Rich Man Shaving Group, and among a few other groups I'm in. But the Rich Man Group is kind of home to the live shave, as that's where everyone prefers to do them. So just anyone wondering why my group doesn't get that attention, yeah, it's like a sister group to me, pretty much just for that purpose, and to meet awesome friends and just overall hang out and talk about shaving. So yeah, Rich Man Shaving Group on Facebook. Just search that and you'll see it. Man. Cannot wait to dig into this splash, guys. Yeah, I got the matching aftershave splash. It's got menthol in it, so I'll get that menthol kick. Oh, by the way, I'll let you all know now, but it might be later on when you view it. It may not be current by the time you see it, but I'm going to do a pass around in my group, or in the Rich Man group, a razor pass around with one of my razors, my flat bottom DOC. And I've got 3 people out of 5, I believe, I'm going to recruit to go through this pass around. We'll just kind of mail it off to each other, clean it, take turns using it. But I'm looking very forward to it. Oh yeah, the outline looks great. We'll just fix the sideburn. You know, my buddy Zach Berry was saying this is going to be sweet. I agree. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait to see how this goes. But let me rinse the face off real quick, guys. Can't wait for this. Rinse the beard. Now, something I don't do on film often. Just do this, get the something like that. I get this off. I'll let it sit on the face while I kind of rinse my gear real quick. All right. Alrighty then, guys. Links in the description below will be for each product that I've used in today's shave, including like everything I used on the scuttle, the brush, the razor, the soap, the splash. Alright. So yeah, links will be in the description below for all products used. Alright, for the best part, well, not the best part, but you want to know what time it is? It's smell good time, gentlemen. Time to put on the smell good. Alright, before and after shaves official Shavin in the Rain aftershave splash with menthol. But yeah, go to Lanolin.com. It is available for sale. I'm not sure how many have bought it yet, but all right, just put it in a palm fold there. All right. No burn. Didn't get too close of a shave, but all right. Menthol's trying to start kicking in. I'll tell you the ingredients to the splash. Oh, it's made with aloe vera, witch hazel, abyssinian seed, emu, red castor, evening primrose, rosehip, oils, menthol, comfrey, calendula, tepescohut, or how you say that, oat, marshmallow, green tea extracts, liquid silk, and fragrance. And you shake before each use, because everything settles pretty good. And it doesn't dry your skin out because it's not alcohol based. It's really good skin food. Alright, well, that's the shave, gentlemen. Hope you all had a great time watching the shave. And again, Lanolin.com, Shavin in the Rain, the official before and after shaves group, Facebook and YouTube soap, and Instagram soap as well. So I will end the shave with a little bit of, actually, you know what? I don't need balm. Not with this. Not tonight. So it's going to smell good all night. I'm going to bed soon, but I want to smell good for the rest of the evening and see how long it lasts. So again, guys, hope you all had a great time watching. And again, just a little message to you from me. Just remember to be kind to one another because life is far too short. So I'll see you guys later.